My name is Dwayne Fritz. I am the lead designer here at RDO Water. We are not limited to just straight drip irrigation, buried drip tape. We do sprinklers on aluminum laterals. We do reservoir designs. The biggest part of our design work is micro irrigation, which includes the micro sprayers for dates or citrus. And the absolute biggest part of our design is for buried drip tape. The PE drip tape with emitters every 12 or 18 inches. So it's a very wide array of design work that we do. A good design is going to make sure that every drop of water the farmer's putting out into the field goes to the root zone of the crop and it's not wasted in evaporation or drain off from the land. A good design has what we call good uniformity. Every drop of water is going to benefit the crop. A good design is going to give the farmer more crop per acre of land. So, a higher yield and higher quality per acre of land. So the good design will be clear, easy to read. The pipe layouts on the design are easy to read and make sense out of. So there's labor savings in that the customer's not going to be sending crews out back and forth to pick up parts that they missed because they couldn't read it on the drawing. The PVC and valve and drip tape system or micro sprinkler system is going to last at least 10 years. We know it's good efficiency and good uniformity and good water use. We know we've given the customer good details that he can read clearly so that he can put all the filter station, the valve assemblies, he can put them all together based upon exactly what we've given him. To me, that's a good design. A farmer in need of a design can go to our website and fill out a contact form, or can go directly to one of our RDO equipment stores and visit an account manager right there in person.